Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to use PayPal on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. With the latest updates, this integration makes buying and selling safer and more convenient than ever. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to online marketplaces, this guide will have you set up in no time. First off, why use PayPal? It's all about security. PayPal offers buyer protection, which helps shield you from scams and ensures your money is handled securely. Before we dive in, make sure you have a verified PayPal account linked to your Facebook profile. If not, quickly sign up or link it through your settings. Let's walk through the steps step by step. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account and head straight to the Marketplace tab. You'll find it on the left sidebar or by searching. Browse through listings and select an item that catches your eye. Step 2. Once you've chosen an item, click on it to view details and message the seller. Politely ask if they accept PayPal for payment. Most do, especially with the 2025 integrations. Step 3. If they agree, the seller can send you a payment request directly through Facebook Messenger or provide a PayPal link. In 2025, Facebook's updated interface often shows PayPal as a seamless option during checkout. Step 4. Open the PayPal app or website from the link provided. Log in with your credentials and review the payment details carefully. Check the amount, seller info, and any fees. Step 5. Confirm the payment by approving it in PayPal. You'll get an instant confirmation, and the seller will be notified. Finally, arrange for pickup or shipping with the seller. A quick tip: always opt for PayPal's goods and services when paying to activate full protection. If issues arise, you can easily dispute through PayPal. And that's it, you've just completed a secure transaction. This method is a game changer for 2025 online shopping. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.